Welcome to Profit Pursuit, the go-to channel for investment insights and financial wisdom. Join me as we dive into the world of finance, exploring investment opportunities and equipping you with the knowledge and strategies to maximize your wealth. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update on your path to financial success. Warren Buffett highlights 15 superior assets over cash presently. Your bank balance signifies just a part of your overall wealth, reflecting your financial state. Depositing funds earns prompt interest, yet current bank interest struggles to match inflation, presenting a downside. Hence, the quest is for assets outperforming cash. This video explores such assets, exceeding cash in value and proving sound for lasting investments. Billionaires like Warren Buffett favor these holdings. Initial focus: platinum, silver, and gold. Gold's value could surge by 1,000% in the next decade, from 2023, possibly reaching 17,000 by 2033. Optimal gold purchase times: early January, March, April, and June to July. Conversely, silver boasts diverse uses in industries and medicine.
And I've used this illustration before, but if you take all of the gold in the world, don't get too excited now, and put it into a cube, it will be a cube that's about 67 feet on a side. It'd be 165,000 or 170,000 metric tons.
Silver finds usage in diverse applications beyond jewelry, such as solar panels, cameras, phones, and computers, aligning with Buffett's criteria for assets possessing inherent, tangible value. The current market brims with myriad silver-integrated products, making viable substitutes remarkably challenging to discover. Therefore, silver holds a substantial advantage. Platinum emerges as a prudent investment, ideal for portfolio diversification with its enduring value due to scarcity. Like gold and silver, platinum trades actively on global commodities exchanges, driven by its significant rarity compared to gold. Another potentially sheltered asset is art. Let's face it, why do affluent individuals spend extravagant sums on artwork that a child could create? Maybe you appreciate enigmatic black and red canvases by Rothko. The rationale lies in art's enduring value, serving as a wealth reservoir. Statistically, art surpasses the S&P 500 as an investment.
Anything that, and of course cotton has utility. Gold really doesn't have utility. I would bet on good producing businesses to outperform something that doesn't do anything over any period of time. But there's no question that rising prices create their own excitement. So when people see gold go up a lot, I mean, if your neighbor owns some gold and you think you're smarter than he is and you didn't own any, and your wife says to you,
their worth should surge if currency remains inflation-aligned. Take the 1957 Rolex, for instance, priced at $5,300, an indicator of swift timepiece appreciation. At present, the Rolex Submariner, Patek Philippe Nautilus, and Cartier stand as top investment luxury watches. To pick a product: crude oil, cotton, gold, silver, anything that, and
anything that, and of course cotton has utility. Gold really doesn't have utility. I would bet on good producing businesses to outperform something that doesn't do anything.
So, when people see gold go up a lot, I mean, if your neighbor owns some gold, and you think you're smarter than he is, and you didn't own any, and your wife says to you, you know, how come that jerk next door is making money, and you're just sitting here, it can start affecting behavior, and people like to get in on things that have been rising in price and all of that, but over time, that has not been the way to get rich. Charlie? Now moving to our fifth asset, let's delve into commodities. Since the barter system era to our current digital exchanges handling forwards, futures, and options, the commodities market has undergone significant evolution. Modernly, a plethora of metals, energy products, and agricultural items are tradable through futures and options contracts on global exchanges. This expanded spectrum empowers traders, arbitrageurs, and hedgers to tailor investing approaches based on their financial or business objectives. Commodities have progressed into an asset class, giving rise to commodity futures, indices, and investment vehicles that gauge against these benchmarks. Introducing our sixth asset, luxury handbags. Your partner's desire for a Kelly or Birkin bag holds merit, driven by their potential as enduring investments or status symbols. Indeed, the value of upscale bags appreciates over time, though not all share equal standing. Discerning individuals select premium bags, safeguarding them akin to a financial portfolio. High-end Birkin bags, for instance, have seen a remarkable 14% annual increase in value over the past 35 years, with some reaching multi-million-dollar costs. Take the Malwad 1001 Nights diamond purse, priced at an astonishing $3.8 million. Bespoke creations like the Birkin and Kelly incorporate luxurious materials such as lizard, ostrich, and crocodile skin. For those who can't afford the 10 to 30K range, discounted luxury bags are available on platforms like QVC and Poshmark. Let's explore asset number 8, value stocks. Numerous considerations might impact your choice of investing in a particular company. However, one factor is sternly discouraged by Berkshire Hathaway's CEO, Buffett, buying stocks solely based on presumed value escalation. This advice stems from the market's unpredictable nature, which defies even the most skilled investors' accurate predictions. Yet, my daily insights can fortify your investment decisions. Ensure to hit the subscribe button and activate notifications. Invest in enterprises you comprehend and believe will generate lasting value. When we buy a business, we look at what the business earns and decide how we feel about it in terms of what we paid, but we are buying something. That at the end of the period, we not only have what we bought in the first place, but we have something that the asset produced. These firms, which may prioritize time, encompass consumer goods like Coca-Cola, in which Buffett has invested for 35 years, and technology giants like Apple and Tesla, constituting asset number 9. Real estate presents minimal volatility in returns and, as values ascend over time, furnishes consistent, steady returns. Zillow, the U.S.'s largest real estate marketplace, reveals that the national average home price has doubled over the past 5 years, with the pace of escalation intensifying. Begin saving now and secure that dwelling. Unveiling asset number 10, vintage cars. For an auto enthusiast investor, initiating a collection of historical vehicles diversifies their financial portfolio. Unlike most cars that depreciate upon leaving the dealership, vintage cars appreciate due to rarity, performance, or distinctive attributes. The vintage auto market operates differently, prioritizing experience, style, exclusivity, and craftsmanship over speed and efficiency, enduring and universal qualities. Such classic cars captivate automobile aficionados and those valuing engineering, design, art, and history. Hence, the staggering cost of the 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR Uhlenhaut Coupe compared to a Toyota, which would lose 50% of its value within 2 years. Investing in an already unique vintage Ferrari could yield soaring percentage gains. Typically, Ferrari prices ascend by 8% annually. It's no surprise that the world's costliest car, the Ferrari 250 GTO, surpasses $50 million. Revealing asset number 11, raw materials. An appealing, low-risk investment avenue, raw materials diversify portfolios effectively. Essential resources supporting goods and services can be sourced from material stockpiles, particularly thriving during robust economies. Material sector firms often generate consistent cash flow, distributing dividends to investors. Capitalize on this through material stocks like Nucor and Rio Tinto. Unveiling asset number 12, land.
Farmland. It will produce for you every year. You can use that money to buy more farmland. You can do all kinds of things. For 100 years, it'll produce things for you, and you still have 100 acres of farmland at the end of the 100 years.
You can do all kinds of things. For 100 years, it will produce things for you. And you still have 100 acres of farmland at the end of 100 years. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, the quantity of arable land is certain, even if costly endeavors like crafting artificial islands akin to those in the Maldives or Dubai were pursued. Agricultural land prices have risen by 7% in the past year, continuing a trend since 2007. In a world with escalating land demand, it's wise to engage a broker promptly. Introducing asset number 13, mutual funds. Over a decade, large-cap funds have averaged a 13.36% return, offering lower risk compared to individual stocks, making them a prudent choice. Consistent investment in mutual funds, coupled with research, might yield millionaire status within a decade. Buffett's endorsement of low-cost index funds is noteworthy, providing automatic portfolio diversification. Their benefits are evident if a seasoned investor like Buffett recognizes them. Asset number 14, livestock. Indeed, animals like pigs, cows, chicks, sheep, and goats hold value as capital assets, contributing to future goods production. Livestock investments support over 1.3 billion people globally and a significant share of agricultural output. Asset number 15 is you. Your inherent worth surpasses cash value. Your unique skills are invaluable, unlike money susceptible to loss or theft. Capitalize on your distinctive abilities to create products or services catering directly to end users. Learn from accomplished figures like John Curran, Kylian Mbappe, Lindsay Addario, and Stephen King, who have harnessed their skills to excel in their respective fields. This insight simplifies portfolio decision-making amidst uncertainties for my subscribers. Utilize these 15 assets for investment without the complexities of setting up an entire LLC or trust. We eagerly await your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. Don't hesitate to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more engaging content. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out the next one in our series.